Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to build and monetize a successful niche website. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming for full-time online income, niche websites offer a fantastic opportunity to start small and grow big. Understanding niche websites. Let's start with the basics. What is a niche website? Simply put, it's a website that focuses on a specific topic or audience, like plant care, hiking gear reviews, or healthy meal prepping. Some examples of successful niche sites are a blog about urban gardening for apartment dwellers, a resource site for marathon runners. Not only are niche sites easier to rank in Google searches, but they're also more likely to grow a loyal audience. Choosing your niche. Picking the right niche is crucial for success. Use tools such as Google Trends and keyword planners to see what's trending. Look for profitable micro-niches with low competition but high interest. Study existing competition. What are they doing well? Where are the gaps? Always define your target audience. Know who you're serving. Website planning and setup. Ready to build? Here's how. Select a memorable domain name and reliable web hosting. Use website builders like WordPress for flexibility and ease. Organize your site with a clear, easy-to-navigate structure for visitors. Creating high-quality content. Content is king. Consistently publish engaging content, such as blog posts, guides, or even videos. Create a content calendar to stay organized. Learn some SEO basics to give your articles the best chance to rank. Building authority and traffic. Time to get your site noticed. Apply on-page and off-page SEO techniques. Build backlinks through guest posting or collaborations. Promote on social media and grow an email list for direct traffic. Monetization strategies. Let's make money. Influencer marketing. Join programs related to your niche and promote products you trust. Display ads. Set up Google AdSense or premium networks as your traffic grows. Sponsored posts. Partner with relevant brands. Offer digital products or services. Think ebooks, courses, or consulting. Tracking performance and optimization. Monitor your site's performance with tools like Google Analytics. Focus on metrics such as traffic, conversion rates, and revenue. Make data-driven decisions. Improve what works, fix what doesn't. Scaling up. Once established, think about outsourcing content to speed up growth, building additional niche sites for multiple revenue streams, diversifying your monetization. Combine different strategies for stability. That's everything you need to kickstart your journey in building and monetizing a niche website. If you've got questions or want to see more tutorials, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.